Swing, swing. Hit him in the gut and take him out. And I get with Mahoro. Swing, 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 swing. Swing-a-ling. Seems kind of stuffy.
We're gonna slaughter every last Minato jerk there is!
That's so, right?
What's an NG jackwad like you want with me?
Just to introduce myself, it's only polite. Pleasure to meet you. Let's you and I be friends, huh?
Oh, hell no! Be friends with a big-headed waif like you? Shove off, man.
Special friends here for you.
You can't just show up at my home, man.
Sorry.
Hurry up and...
How's Sigma going?
It's fine. Why? Depends on how it shakes out, you know.
Please, stop Marito. If anyone can convince him, it's you, Ara.
Something happened between you and young Matakata. Well, you must tell me what transpired, my boy. Hey, are you listening to me? Hey!